Welcome to Instrovate Technologies. We are thrilled to have you here. For 7 years, we have been at the forefront of innovative education in India and Dubai. Our mission is to empower individuals like you with the skills and knowledge to thrive in today's rapidly evolving job market. At Instrovate, we believe in the power of consistency and expert guidance. We understand that learning is a journey, not a destination. That's why we have designed our programs to provide you with the support and mentorship you need to succeed every step of the way. Our team of certified trainers brings years of industry experience to the table. They are passionate about sharing their knowledge and helping you achieve your career aspirations. With Instrovate, you're not just gaining skills, you're gaining a competitive edge. We are excited to be a part of your learning adventure. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Data is everywhere. In today's digital age, it's more valuable than ever. Companies across all industries rely on data insights to make informed decisions and drive success. Data analytics is a high-demand field, and Instrovate Technologies is here to equip you with the skills necessary to excel in this exciting domain. Our comprehensive data analytics training plus internship program is carefully crafted to provide you with a solid foundation in the field. We cover a wide range of essential topics, including data extraction and manipulation. Learn the art of gathering data from various sources and transforming it into meaningful insights. Asterisk data visualization. Discover the power of presenting data in a clear and compelling way through charts, graphs, and dashboards. Asterisk statistical analysis. Dive into the world of statistics, understanding how to analyze data, identify patterns, and draw valuable conclusions. Asterisk machine learning. Explore the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence and learn how to build predictive models. At Instrovate, we believe that quality education should be accessible to everyone. That's why we offer our data analytics training plus internship program at an affordable fee structure. We understand that hands-on experience is crucial for solidifying your skills and boosting your employability. That's why our program includes free internship projects. These projects will allow you to apply your newfound knowledge to real-world scenarios, gaining invaluable practical experience. Our data analytics program is structured to accommodate learners of all levels. Whether you're a recent graduate or a working professional seeking to upskill, we have a stream that's right for you. Designed for individuals with little to no prior experience in data analytics. Tailored for those with a foundational understanding of data analytics concepts who are looking to delve deeper into specialized areas. To ensure a smooth learning experience, the advanced stream does have prerequisites. Please reach out to our team to learn more about these prerequisites and determine the best stream for your needs. Unlock your potential live, interactive, and effective. What truly sets Instrovate Technologies apart is our commitment to providing a dynamic and engaging learning experience. Our training methodology is centered around live, interactive sessions, where you can connect with our expert trainers and fellow learners in real time. Ask questions, participate in discussions, and learn from the experiences of others. Our learning platform doesn't stop at live sessions. Access our learning management system to complete assignments, review course materials, and reinforce your understanding of key concepts. We believe that learning is an ongoing process, and our LMS serves as a valuable resource even after your training is complete. And if you ever encounter any roadblocks, our dedicated doubt resolution team is always just a message away. We are here to support you throughout your learning journey, ensuring that no question goes unanswered. Success stories, from Instrovate to industry leaders. The success of our students is a testament to the effectiveness of our programs. We are incredibly proud to share that Instrovate Technologies alumni have gone on to secure coveted positions at some of the world's leading companies, including Apple, General Motors, Amazon, Microsoft, and Accenture. These success stories are a source of inspiration for us. They fuel our passion for empowering individuals like you to achieve their career goals. Take charge of your future. Schedule your free demo today. Are you ready to unlock your potential and embark on a rewarding career in data analytics? The first step is just a click away. Let us know to schedule a free demo session. During this session, we'll discuss your career aspirations and determine how our data analytics training plus internship program aligns with your goals. We'll provide you with a glimpse into our live, interactive learning environment. We'll also answer any question you may have about the program, fee structure, or internship opportunities. At Instrovate, we go beyond just training. We provide you with comprehensive support to help you succeed in your job search. Our experienced career counselors will provide personalized advice on resume building, interview skills, and job search strategies. We'll help you craft a compelling resume that highlights your skills and experience to potential employers. Practice makes perfect. We conduct mock interviews to boost your confidence and help you ace those crucial job interviews. Choosing Instrovate Technologies is an investment in your future. It's a decision that can open doors to exciting opportunities and set you on a path toward a fulfilling and successful career in data analytics. Don't wait. Take charge of your future today.